everyone! So, ngayon, saan tayo pupunta guys?
Sa Sibuko!
Sibuko na naman tayo! Siyempre, hindi tayo mawawala ng adventure. Alhamdulillah naman, siyempre pa. Yes! Are you all excited guys?
Yes!
Isa mo tayo po doon. Uy, ay,
Ano yan?
Woo!
Gandaan.
Duruan.
Stop over muna tayo guys. Mag-order muna tayo sa drive-thru ng Jollibee! Yes, Jollibee dahil bida ang...
Saya!
Uy, grabe.
Naiya na siya guys kasi maingay daw kami. O, nagtatago na siya guys.
Guys, mainit talaga. Kailangan namin ng tiisin ang init. Tiis ganda, guys.
Okay, taste ganda lang sabi natin, Maymay.
Dagdag kay
Ano yun? Punta ka sa Buanga?
Hi guys, currently here at the Jollibee. So,
Tingnan mo man kami, oh.
Yay! Hi sa vlog!
Miss you.
Hi guys!
Love you.
Guys, kain tayo fries. Wow! Brayden! Mainit! Wala pa kami sa kalagitnaan ng... Kalagitnaan.
Call mo si Mama De, ha?
Boy, masyado ka nakatago, boy. Face reveal naman. Jollibee mo.
Wide awake in the midnight air. Thought I saw you standing there. Every dream feels close tonight.
Grabe ang init guys. Dapat covered tayo.
Guys, parang sanay na kami, guys.
Sanay na daw si Ate Maymay. Sanay naman pero mainit pa rin. Grabe oh.
Hi guys!
To the end, just tell me where you are. You're my dream catcher, holding every piece of me when the night gets heavy. You're the only thing I see. You're my dream catcher, keeping overlap somehow. If I'm lost inside the noise, make me feel
Grabe! Guys, ang driver natin! Parang ano! Nalipat na kami guys! But still, enjoy!
Every shadow fades away when I hear you say my name. All the doubts I used to hide disappear in your light. I've been running from the truth, but I'm standing here with you. If this moment's all we have, I'll make it last.
Hi guys! So, we're here. Malapit na kami sa Limpopo! Papa na kami guys! Anong papa?
You're my dream catcher, holding every piece of me when the night gets heavy. You're the only thing I see. You're my dream catcher, keeping overlap somehow. If I'm lost inside the noise, come on, make me You're my dream catcher, holding every piece of me when the night gets heavy. You're the only thing I see. You're my dream catcher, keeping overlap somehow. If I'm lost inside the noise, come on, make me
Wala guys, so may eagle oh. Kita nyo? Wow! Nandun sila sa loob. Hello, madam! Ayusin mo ang lipstick mo, please. Let's go, guys. Di tayo pwede maligo kasi may galing daw naligo ito kanina and nalunod daw. Ate, sabi welcome! Welcome to Cebuco!
Welcome! Cebuco Island!
Wow! Yes! We're finally here!
Hi guys!
Ganda! Hi, Z! Say hi, Z! Hi! Ano masabi mo dito tayo makaligo, bes?
Ligo ako.
Uy!
Doon lang sa side daw.
Magtabo lang daw siya, guys.
Wag tayo magtalon, okay? No jumping, okay? No diving. Dala kayo sariling tabo, ah.
Magtabo na lang daw. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, i-zoom ko kayo, ah.
Hi guys!
Grabe, oh. Oh, grabe yung hampas ng ano. Pati dito din, tingnan nyo. Oh, tingnan niya, guys, si Mami Sing, guys. Oh, pak. Pak, Mami Sing namin yan. Eh. Sheesh. Akit tayo, guys. Dahil magpapapicture si Denev.
The starlit sky lit up your eyes. I could barely breathe no matter how I tried. I held you close just to keep you warm. Then like Jean would do, I walked you to your door. I still wonder when it all ran dry.
Nakikita nyo ba yon? Si Winwin at sa Ate Charmaine yun, nagpipicture sila. Andito naman si Mark Noriel, nandun si Darren sa likod. Tapos naman, yung iba, nandun sila sa baba banda. Doon sila nagpipicture-picture. Kung ko nakikita nyo nakahijab doon na paakyat, si Mama De yun. And sinabihan po kami na bawal maligo since, ano ba yun, boy? Ano ba yun? Utara? Utara ba yun? Utara daw, guys, ngayon. Ewan ko kung yun yung term. Basta delikado siya maligo kasi grabe yung hampas ng alon at saka masyadong malalaki kasi kung makikita nyo naman, di ba, nagwa-white-white talaga, oh. Oh, di ba? Grabe yung ano dito. Lakas. Kakaiba. Hello!
Here we are in
Paingan. Paingan. Paingan Beach.
Paingan Beach! Welcome
Sa
to
Cebu.
Paingan Beach, Cebuco, Zamboanga del Norte!
Yay!
First time here!
Okay.
The place is so rocky place! Formation of the rock here is very rocky.
Nahilo ka sa dito.
Okay, Auntie, ano
I
experience sa car?
feel dizzy! Sorry, my friend!
Ito pa ang driver namin, guys.
Enjoy!
We have our food here.
Ang saya!
Courtesy
Auntie,
of Ate Day!
tignan ko nandyan pa ang manok. Baka naglipad kanina.
Nalipad na ba ang manok?
Ay, nandyan
Meron
pa
pa
pala.
manok!
Yay!
Kain tayo guys!
Kain tayo, guys.
Ulit kayo mo!
Hi, Mama Dad.
Ay, walang si Artita. Welcome to Labuhan.
Hello.
Grabe.
Brayden. Z. Wow. Perfect.
We are the... Naging addict na ako.
May presentation kasi mangyari, guys. So, nagka-cover niya. Okay.
Kailangan mag-drone tayo paangat.
I-drone paangat para makita ano nasa loob. Guys, mag-akyat tayo guys. Kita, dito ka. Oh, wag dyan. Sige na. I am here. We're finally here. Sa taas. Hi, Mark. Naka-video man yun. Pero
Ano?
ewan ko, kasi ginamit ko kamay ko.
Pacific pati ano,
Tingnan nyo guys, andito kasi sa wrist ko ang camera. Wag boy. Nagpapa-video ako ng drone shot kay Deneb guys. Okay na! Dito ako sa dulo. Wooshoo! Dito guys. Oh, nakaakyat si tita dito sa taas. Eh. Hello tita. Vlog. Sa vlog, sa Kaitang Pam.
Doon lang kayo, upo lang kayo, upo kayo.
Pinipicturean siya guys. Dito.
Maganda point natin dito.
Forma niya na, maganda na yung view.
I'm feeling my way through the quiet, trying to find where I belong. Don't know how far I've got to go, but I know I've got to stay strong. People say I'm dreaming too loud, that maybe I should slow it down.